Good morning, dear students. Already I said to you on children poem. Today I am saying to you some important 1 mark question with answer. In this poem, important 1 mark questions are: first, on children poem taken from. On children, this is poem taken from Khalil Gibran wrote the one of the famous work, that is the Prophet, which is the Prophet. Prophet. This is a selection of poetry through this is on children. It was taken. Next one, in this chapter, already I said to you in the poem, that is, I will say to you, underline these words. Those words are here. The bows refers in the poem. Bows, who are called as bows? Bows refers in the poem. Bows refers in the poem is called, that is, the parents. That is the parents. Parents are called as the bows in this poem. Next one is, who are called as the living arrows. Living arrows. Living arrows are called in this poem children. Living arrows is called as a children. Living arrows is called as a children. This is the third question. Next, fourth one. Who are called as a archer? Who are called as a archer? Archer is called as a god. Archer is called as a god. God is called as a archer in this question with answer. These are the important question and answers are there in this poem only. This is the important question. Next, another one is there. That is, another one is there. That is, you may give your love, but not your fear. In this question, answer is called as a, you may give your love but not your thoughts. But not your, answer is thoughts. So these are the important question, 1 mark question in this chapter. All of you be carefully listen and importantly underline these words. Thank you. Tomorrow I will tell to you about a long summary about this poem.